Hi, welcome to Oracle's Data Science Bootcamp. I'm Dan.
I'm Althea.
We're going to talk today a little bit about data science and some of the things that we're going to be developing in this course that you can work on. So the first thing we want to talk about is, what is data science? Harvard Business Review has called it the sexiest job of the 21st century. It's a huge buzzword these days. What is it really? Well, in general, data science seeks to do several things. First, it seeks to extract meaning from data. This is something I think many of us can understand. There's a lot of data out there, and we want to get as much meaning and information out of it as possible. It also generally seeks to create what we call data products. And data products are effectively useful things we've made from data that other people can derive use from. And in that, I think, is what's really core, is that data science speaks to make all available data something that we can tell valuable stories to people who are not necessarily data experts. So that begs the question, what makes a data scientist? Well, there are lots of things that people think make up a data scientist. And if we look at various definitions of data science across the web, or who is a data scientist, you find that statistical analysis is extremely important. We also find that scientific training sometimes matters. Beyond that, some people seem to think that you may need a PhD in computer science or statistics. You may need to know about visualization or business intelligence tools. You may have to be a production programmer. And there's this whole slew of different things. And I don't know, Althea, when I think about this, I look at this list of things that go into what makes up a data scientist. And I ask myself, does anybody like that even exist? Well, I think we need to kind of revise the definition of a data scientist. Because I think in general, what we're talking about are people who have a degree of experience in business. They understand what the goals of a project are. They understand how to communicate value. They understand how to communicate results. But they also understand some amount of analytics, some of the techniques that are necessary to analyze data, to understand analyses, how to model situations. And then beyond that, they know a little bit about how to move data around, how to model it, how to transform it, how to check to make sure that it's clean. Mm-hmm. So I think some of the things we're going to look at here are how to become someone who is either an aspiring data scientist or to build up their skills.